Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you remove the new ransomware, which is called Rkhwhrogq. The video will demonstrate to you how damaging this ransomware is. So now you can clearly see that there are no any troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Regretfully, because of some existing vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be easily injected into the device. As a result, pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their documents anymore. This is because the ransomware encrypts the files and they are no longer accessible. So, pretty soon this will happen. The good thing, of course, is that this is a test computer that I'm using, but unfortunately this ransomware may also be injected into real computers. So these are the bad consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open the file, and this is the message that you get, that Windows cannot open this type of file with this extension that was added. But removing the extension manually does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. The ransomware also places this ransomware note mentioning that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration and that people need to contact the developers by these email addresses. But contacting the developers does not guarantee that the files will be restored. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing without getting your data restored. So don't pay the ransom. Now, what we recommend you to do is to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete this ransomware fully from your computer. You may get Combo Cleaner Antivirus through the official website combocleaner.com. After the program gets downloaded and installed, this is the way the program looks like. The software should first of all update its anti-malware database, and then you may begin scanning and researching your system. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner is successfully updated, the program begins scanning the system, and please pay attention to the feature called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add one or even several folders on the system that will always be protected. And then at the end of the scan you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.